This little dude is Meowl. I threw him into the multiverse using Seedance 2.0 on BytePlus Model Ark. Straight to the source in this one, BytePlus actually created this model. We are going from defeating giant robots to him lost in the pool rooms. And let me tell you, he does not like the water. To whatever this is. Don't worry, we get him back to his lazy self in the end. Did you have fun? That intro was a bit sped up and I added some effects. Here is how you can get the raw results. Starting by the simple portal, and some more complex stuff at the end. You can just drag any reference, image, audio, and even video. If you want to get a retro look, I recommend you add something like 480i to the prompt. It works great. But look at those movements and sound effects. I think we have arrived. One of my favourite styles is the old school tokusatsu energy. Practical miniature sets, smoke machines, a city block as the backdrop. Look at this lighting. And the explosions. On point. Let's go ahead and add the setting ourselves now to see how faithful to the image it stays. If it can really capture the liminal vibe. Let's make it a bit longer. You can go up to 15 seconds. I will try that later. And you can see I just said something underwater. I don't know what that shadow thing is, but it's just awesome. I've seen this weird meowl around, so here it is. Let's do the whole transformation, and for full control, you can use as many images as needed. For something funny like this, it usually adds music, by the way. I took it off on the intro. So if you don't want music, make sure to mention it on the prompt. You already saw that clip though, so here is Meowl singing a song instead.
A meal fit for kings, not a bone in sight. I'm having fish tonight.
Accurate. He would say that if he could. That singing was almost impossible to get before, as silly as it looks. I added the song, and the mouth movements are probably the best I've seen any video model do. And if you want to go deeper than the interface, Seedance 2.0 also runs through the BytePlus API. You could plug this into your own tools, your own apps, whatever workflow you already have running. Sounds hard, but there is a ton of documentation on how to set it all up. What do you think, Meowl? He has no notes. Went back to sleep. Seedance 2.0 from BytePlus. Link below. Try it out.